I spend so much time in the kitchen, so I'm always looking for quick and clever ways to make it look clean and stay clean. Upgrade your kitchen in an afternoon with these organization hacks. Let's start with this cake stand. I've seen people use it in their cabinets to hold spices, but it's so cute, I didn't want to hide it. It adds a little whimsy to doing dishes and helps keep soap and sponges off the counter. While we're here at the sink, I can't forget to tell you about this life-changing ergonomic kitchen mat. If you're like me and always doing dishes, get this. Under the sink used to be a different story. These spring-loaded tension rods are awesome. Make more room by hanging cleaning supplies or paper towels on them. I love a clean kitchen. Swapping a knife block for a drawer insert will help keep the counters clutter-free. A spice rack in the drawer saves cabinet space and makes it easier for me to find what I'm looking for. Do you have a cabinet you avoid because you know it's packed to the brim with cutting boards and baking sheets? Make the most of cabinet space with hanging organizers. Now it's easy to grab what you need. I know I'm not the only one that has about a dozen too many water bottles in the house. Save time and space by organizing them in a magazine holder. Thanks for watching.